Alright y'all, so we're going to be keeping it simple today. We're going to be doing some chicken fried steaks. Obviously we got our cube steaks. Got flour, butter, eggs, milk, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get to cooking. So I got a pie pan here. Well, that's what I'm going to put my eggs in for our egg wash. Now, to keep our cleanup simple, we've got a gallon Ziploc bag. We put a cup and a half of flour in it. Take about 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of our onion powder. Go ahead, get that well mixed together. Take our cube steaks, just a quick toss in the egg, into the flour. Close this back up and give this a good shake until everything is well coated. Then we're going to move over to the stove. Alright, so we got 2 sticks of butter melting on a medium heat. So once our butter is mostly melted, we're going to go ahead and put that on a higher heat. And we're going to drop our steaks in. Now we're going to cook these for a few minutes on both sides until they're golden brown. So after a few minutes on both sides, we're going to go ahead and pull them off. And we're going to finish cooking the rest of them. Once you pull your steaks, go ahead, turn that down to a medium heat. Now we're going to make the gravy. Now, if you still have flour left over, about a cup of it, you don't need a full cup probably. If you got about a cup of flour left over from your breading, go ahead and use that. It's already seasoned and you don't waste it. We're going to stir this until it absorbs all the butter. Now we're going to pour milk in. You want to stir constantly. And then once all your flour is dissolved into your gravy or into your milk, cut the heat. And then you're just going to pour as much milk in as you need to make it a nice consistency gravy. The desired consistency is up to you. It'll thicken up over time too, so. Now I'm going to let this thicken up for a few minutes and I'll bring you back. So we gone ahead, put our gravy on our cube steak, and there you have it, chicken fried steak. This goes really good with mashed potatoes or a veggie of your choice. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video where your YouTube thinks you should watch it. Until next time, keep on cooking on.